You might only know frankincense as the Christmas gift given to baby Jesus. But this common essential oil isn't as sacred or hard to come by as you'd think. It can offer a variety of health benefits, including helping relieve chronic stress and anxiety, reducing pain and inflammation, and boosting immunity. The oil comes from a plant which is commonly grown in Somalia and regions of Pakistan. You can use the oil in a variety of ways by either inhaling the oil or absorbing it through the skin, usually mixed with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil. Now you know the basics of frankincense oil. Let's get into its uses. You won't believe just how versatile and valuable this oil is. 1. Stress-relieving bath soak. Frankincense oil immediately induces the feeling of peace, relaxation, and satisfaction. Want to know how to use frankincense oil for stress relief? Simply add a few drops of the oil to a hot bath. You can also add frankincense to an oil diffuser or vaporizer to help fight anxiety and for experiencing relaxation in your home all the time. Some people believe that the fragrance of frankincense can increase your intuition and spiritual connection. 2. Natural household cleaner. Frankincense oil is an antiseptic, meaning it helps eliminate bacteria and viruses from your home and clean indoor spaces. The plant has been commonly burned to help disinfect an area and is used as a natural deodorizer. Use it in an essential oil diffuser to help reduce indoor pollution and deodorize and disinfect any room or surface in your home. 3. Natural hygiene product. Due to its antiseptic properties, frankincense oil is a great addition to any oral hygiene regimen. Look for natural oral care products that contain frankincense oil, especially if you enjoy the aroma. It can help prevent dental health issues like tooth decay, bad breath, cavities, or oral infections. Some people make their own natural frankincense toothpaste by mixing frankincense oil with baking soda. 4. Anti-aging and wrinkle fighter. Frankincense essential oil is a powerful astringent, meaning it helps protect skin cells. It can be used to help reduce acne blemishes, the appearance of large pores, prevent wrinkles, and it even helps lift and tighten skin to naturally slow signs of aging. You can apply the oil to anywhere on the skin that commonly becomes saggy with age, like the abdomen or under the eyes. Mix 6 drops of oil to 1 ounce of unscented oil and apply it directly to the skin. Be sure to always do a small patch area test first to test for possible allergic reactions. 5. Relieve symptoms of indigestion. If you have digestive issues such as gas, constipation, stomach aches, irritable bowel syndrome, PMS, or cramps, frankincense oil can help relieve your discomfort. It helps speed up the digestion of food, similar to digestive enzymes. Add 1 to 2 drops of oil to around 8 ounces of water or to a tablespoon of honey for instant relief. If you're going to ingest it orally, make sure it's 100% pure oil. Don't ingest fragrance or perfume oils. 6. Scar, wound, stretch mark, or acne remedy. Frankincense oil can help with wound healing and may even decrease the appearance of scars. It might also help reduce the appearance of dark spots caused from acne blemishes, stretch marks, and eczema, and help with the healing of surgical wounds. Mix 2 to 3 drops of oil with an unscented base oil or lotion and apply directly to the skin. Be careful not to apply it to broken skin, but it's fine for skin that's in the process of healing. 7. Natural cold or flu medicine. Next time you have a respiratory infection from a cold or flu, use frankincense essential oil to help provide relief from coughing. It can help eliminate phlegm in the lungs. It also acts as an anti-inflammatory in the nasal passages, making breathing easier, even for people with allergies or asthma. Add a few drops to a cloth and inhale for the respiratory benefits or use an oil diffuser. 8. Helps relieve inflammation and pain. To improve circulation and lower symptoms of joint pain or muscle pain related to conditions like arthritis, digestive disorders, and asthma, try massaging frankincense oil to the painful area or diffusing it in your home. You can add a drop of oil to steaming water and soak a towel in it. Then place the towel on your body or over your face to inhale it to decrease muscle aches. Also, diffuse several drops in your home or combine several drops with a carrier oil to massage into your muscles, joints, feet, or neck. Let's now look at the benefits of frankincense oil, which has made it such a valuable oil. 1. Helps reduce stress reactions and negative emotions. When inhaled, frankincense oil has been shown to reduce heart rate and blood pressure. It has anti-anxiety and depression-reducing abilities, but unlike prescription medications, it doesn't have negative side effects or cause unwanted drowsiness. 2. Helps boost immune system function and prevents illness. Are you constantly catching colds in the winter? Studies have shown that frankincense benefits extend to immune-enhancing abilities that may help destroy dangerous bacteria, viruses, and even cancers. Researchers conducted a lab study and found that frankincense oil increases the ability of the immune system to fight infection and disease. This oil can be used to prevent germs from forming on the skin, mouth, or in your home. 3. Heals skin and prevents signs of aging. Our skin is our biggest organ, and it's important to look after it on a daily basis. Frankincense oil has been found to strengthen skin and improve its tone, elasticity, defense mechanisms against bacteria or blemishes, and appearance as someone ages. It may also help tone and lift skin, reduce the appearance of scars and acne, and heal wounds. 4. Improves memory. Memory is something that can be affected by our lifestyle choices and habits, and research suggests that frankincense oil is one of the natural aids we can use to improve memory and learning functions. 5. May help balance hormones and improve fertility. Frankincense oil has shown promise in reducing symptoms associated with menstruation and menopause by balancing hormone levels, although research on the topic is limited. Many people have seen benefits of using the oil to help relieve pain, cramps, constipation, headaches, anxiety, nausea, fatigue, and mood swings. Frankincense oil might also help with regulating estrogenic production and may reduce the risk of tumor or cyst development in premenopausal women. 6. Eases digestion. Digestion is a bit of a no-go subject in daily life, but how many of us would classify our digestion as good or even normal? Frankincense helps the digestive system to properly detox and produce bowel movements. It may also help to reduce pain and cramping in the stomach, relieve nausea, flush out excess water from the abdomen that can cause bloating, and even relieve PMS-related stomach pains. 7. Acts as a sleep aid. Because frankincense is thought to lower anxiety or chronic stress, it also helps you to fall asleep easier at night. It has a calming, grounding scent that can naturally help you to drift off. This natural sleep aid helps open breathing passages, allows your body to reach an ideal sleeping temperature, and can eliminate any pain that keeps you up. 8. Helps decrease inflammation and pain. Frankincense can put a stop to the production of key inflammatory molecules associated with common conditions like arthritis, asthma, painful bowel disorders like IBS, and many more. It can be useful in helping prevent the breakdown of the cartilage tissue and has been shown to significantly reduce levels of dangerous and painful inflammation, making it a natural treatment option for pain-related conditions that affect the muscles, joints, and tendons. There are no reported serious side effects of using frankincense oil, but on rare occasions, the oil can cause certain reactions for some people, including minor skin rashes and digestive problems like nausea or stomach pains. Frankincense is also known to have blood-thinning effects, so anyone who has problems related to blood clotting shouldn't use frankincense oil. Frankincense is a versatile oil that can be combined with several other essential oils and carrier oils for a whole host of uses and benefits. If you never use frankincense oil, it's time to get into the Christmas spirit and try it out today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on 22 uses and benefits of frankincense essential oil, including cancer and skin. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.